On. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed job. If you see me ballin', then my bitch ball. My niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. Said I finna naughty, I'ma lift off. But your bitches look Pilates when you reach dog. So she can't fuck a squat, and that's some football. Y'all niggas rootin' dog. Young nigga been, I think that he the only one. That nigga magistrated with some Jordan 1. If it ain't issy, then it's me.
Hi guys, hi. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tanisi Tole. Welcome to another edition of Little Wednesday. I just went grocery shopping for a few things, mainly for Pupo's medication, his tick and flea, and I got the Spectra from Nick's Guard as well. So the Spectra also includes deworming. I went to the grocery store for that. There's load shedding manja ekaya, so I'm just gonna sort out a few things, just unwind and cook. I think I have to cook. We have a gas stove, so that's a good thing. I'm not affected too much on that department. Oh my gosh, I need to stop getting distracted. Yeah, well, this is why I need to get a camera so that when notifications come through from work, I'm not distracted. So what's today? It's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and the weekly vlog just went live. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been trying to incorporate more of like my life during the week. Obviously, I can't do too much because most days I just come home and I want to be in bed. I don't want to really do too much. But when I know I'm going to be active or I'm definitely doing something, I'm definitely going to pick up my camera on a random Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and give you a little something, little shit thing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try and do that, and it helps a lot with bulk creating, because the next week there's gonna be a maintenance vlog coming through, and then the week after that, this vlog that you're watching right now is going to be coming through. Yeah, I've got a lot of things. Basically, we're going to run it over 2 weeks because that creates more content and more time and like bulkiness. And it gives me time to like edit as well and just edit comfortably. Like, yeah, I can edit comfortably right now. Anyways, I'm going to give Kubo his medication. And then I'm just going to get inside and sort things out. Oh, he's coming. Monkey.
Nigga been, I think that he the only one. That nigga magistrated with some Jordan 1. If it ain't issy, then it's me. No! Bad bitch,
You are not a good content creator.
Movies, not photos. She not in the phone.
Hey homies, it is Thursday today. I just came home from work. Yeah, work today was actually quite, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm so content with work right now because I don't know if I found the right flow for me. I don't know if like everything is just coming naturally to me now. I don't know if I don't know what it is, but like it's work, but it sure don't feel like work. Like it sure don't feel like work. Like everything is just like it's flowing nicely. I feel more organized. I feel more prepared. Today though was actually quite, yeah, I would like this morning was so horrible. I made a mistake, and obviously I don't like making mistakes, period. Like I don't like making mistakes, but you know, how was I supposed to learn? Because I sure will not do that thing again. But yeah, so that was not grind, but yeah, I tried to rectify it as best as I can, try to do some damage control, and in the end damage was indeed controlled. But yeah, still, that wasn't nice. That wasn't a yoba. Hate being a disappointment. But nonetheless, I pushed through that, made it through the day, still happy. God still got me. God still good. Periana. Anyways, I should probably plug y'all to my Christian playlist. I got a Holy Girl Things playlist, which is basically like but for Holy Girls. I got an Afrobeats from Heaven playlist, which is like wine me, but for Holy Girls. And I got Holy Vibes, which is just like With that being said, another day has ended. I am show I had to clean. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I am gonna clean and I am just gonna try read, try get in bed early this week. This week I haven't been getting in bed as early as I want to. That's probably because of load shedding. But anyways, regardless, and then yeah, I'm super excited because tomorrow, yeah, let's hear y'all. My hair. You see how she's like, turn on, look at it. Look like Rapunzel. And then tomorrow I'm gonna be working from home, so that's gonna be different. I don't know how I feel about that, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there tomorrow. But yeah, today I'm just gonna chill, vibe out, and then I'm just gonna sort everything out for tomorrow so that I can make tomorrow as smooth as possible. With that being said, let's get cracking.
16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. If you see me ballin' in my rich ball, all my niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. Said I finna out and have my lift draw. All your bitches look Pilates when you rich dog. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip off. Keep a CDZ, y'all niggas rip dog. Young nigga been, I think that he the only one. That nigga magic fitted with some Jordan 1. If it ain't issy, then miss me. New clothes. Bad bitch with chrome toes. And we shoot movies, not photos. She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
I've been waiting on this my whole life.
She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
You know what? Maybe you're right.
She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
Coming like a thief in the night. Two phones on me stereo tight. You know me, I'm pretty who I like. It's not a fake bitch in sight. Coming like a thief in the night.
Yep, you tired? Good morning, everyone. I'm at home, so I'm doing this whole work from home thing. I've never done it for the entire day, so this is different. Anyways, yeah, I'm ready, I'm dressed, and probably should start getting more loungewear so that I can look good when I work from home. Upupa is tired. Upupa is tired. I tired him out, so that walk did exactly what I needed to do because he can be such a distraction sometimes. So yeah. Anyways, let me start working. I've got the kettle going. I'm making myself some coffee, some breakfast, and then yeah, let's get to work. Woo! I feel good. It has been a slow day, but I made myself some lunch, some egg. Yeah, I don't know, I really missed egg. And it's definitely not a vegan meal to have, but I really miss it. And yeah, I'm having eggs. I am gonna go back to work. I just, I'm feeling very uncomfortable where I'm sitting. I feel like it's just so uncomfortable. And honestly, I've spent at least 30 minutes trying to look for a desk that I wanna buy, as in like tomorrow. I'm not happy at all how I'm working. I need more space, I need more room, and I need an environment that's gonna make me want to be productive, and it's not working out for me right now. But I know it's Nzofiga, it's a matter of time. I just need to be patient and all the good stuff. But to be honest, like Okwamanje, yeah, I don't think we're gonna be doing this again until I feel like iyahlangana. And the fact that like like I like to be put together and all of those things, and it's I don't know guys. We'll give it another round and try it again something like next week, but Friday, it's a Friday. I'm out the door. My Uber's here. I'm going out to eat with a friend. Oh, there's my mom coming by at the same time. There's my mom right there. Bye, guys. The food market, the food box. Ngizonithumela location yami. Ngisayo, uyangifonela uMonde uthi una SD card lapha, una SD card lapha, ngithi cha nginayo mina SD card. Ngithi ufuna yenza SD card, ufuna ukushutha ukudla mfethu. SD card is the thing that you plug in a camera. Okay, bye. Mama. Yo, son manani.
Counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not harder, I might take a sip, I might hit the but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my more tips. Just put the rolling right back.
I also like sweet chili, but I like mushrooms. The works.
On my wrist, this watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift.
Done. I'm tired.
Back when the rap game was ran like this, they act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If possible rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout.
What is it?
Oh no, but it's so nice.
What is it? Is it fish?
Won't be for fame, it won't be cause my they selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to.
Yeah, she said it. Yo. Yo. But now I'm thinking I got the lens on this thing.
I don't mind.
Nanti when's I mean?
A brother,
Your brother.
my homie, Simangalisa Monde.
Oh yeah. No. That's good. That tastes yummy. Like it tastes like proper homemade.
Really?
Sweet and sour, and it tastes like yam. The my veg are corner crunchy. Yummy.
Change, I love you, little niggas. I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you gain. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thinking you now. Was watching you when you was paving the town. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the grace, I'm the greatest right now. If you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. The gon' be different, I set my.
Okay, waffles. I got what? Cookies and cream. I got cookies and cream.
Kitty Cats, wada.
Kit Kat, yeah, Kit Kat. Okay. Yeah, cool. Okay, sure. One, two.
Go.
I'm disappointed.
It's nice.
It's sweet. Like it's so sweet. I don't like white chocolate taste.
It's nice.
No, but it's nice, eh? I know for a fact. I bet that am. Umlazi, I know somebody else would like it. It's just not me.
Just I promise to slap all that hate out your voice. Count me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing their names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real one's been dying, the fake one was lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my.
Look so happy to see you. Look at you on your solo. Anyways, hey all, just got my nails done. It is a Saturday. I'm with Spagame and we're running errands. And we're waiting for the girls to get here because yeah, we're doing big things later on, but they're late. Well, Spagame is early.
No,
Spagame is like 5 hours early.
Late, as usual.
Spagame is 5 hours early. We said and agreed on 12.
Everybody is late,
And she showed up
including
at 8.
Miss Person.
No, she showed up at 8 when I specifically, we all agreed on 12. Anyways, that's gonna end lah.
Up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody talking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them mine. 7 pointers pretty young.
One of them ones.
As you can all tell, we're about to clean out the spot here. Yeah, I've got my friends to help me, so yeah.
Western road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, running the store for centuries. And bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let us hit on occasion for entertainment. Didn't even leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear.
Today drained me, boy. Today was such a beautiful day though. Today was such a productive day. I'm so proud of me and my homegirls. I love you guys. My feet hurt. Yeah, but it was such a productive day. I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow in the lights what it looks like and how clean and beautiful it looks. And like obviously the last time I showed you guys that place, it was very like dirty and cluttered. But today or tomorrow it's gonna look where you see it. But anyways, yeah, super productive day. Got my nails done, but you're gonna see that in a different video. Yeah, and got stuff that you're gonna see in a different video as well. Yeah, new car, new place, we going higher, baby. Yes. Anyways, obviously I did a little bit of winding down. Look cute in my little two-piece. People don't believe me that this is pajama. This is a pajama, y'all. This is pajama. In my little two-piece set, looking cute and gorgeous or whatever. And I'm going to bed. I'll see you all tomorrow. Good morning. On our way to church in the new car. Look at this interior. Skirt? What? Exactly. That's what I'm about to change.
What God wanted him to do, he still went on and
I'd never come here if I'd known that you were here.
They got me in the butchery against my own will, y'all. They got me in the butchery against my own will.
I must admit though that it's nice to see you, dear.
Yeah. Evo. Okes. Cherry, darling. Cherry. Nangasafuna ukuvuka untombazana ngifakile aircon. Phela yakhuluma nale model yakhuluma. Yakhuluma simply. Yakhuluma nje kahle. Anyways, it was too cold up in there. Like, I know Mama was taking forever. I had to leave. Way too cold up in there. So I got myself a snack. And we can just chill. Yum. This is yummy. And this heaven people are so rude. This one lady, and then I understand that you want a specific type of thing in a specific way. Sure. But her tone was just disgusting. Such a nasty tone. Such a nasty tone. Anyway. Oh gosh, I'm switching the car on. I'm switching it on. I need some air. Anyways, church was really good. Really thoroughly enjoyed church today. Very good. I always feel like it's more comfortable for me when there's less people. And because it was so early in the day, most people come in like the third and last service in the morning. So that was the second service that we went to. And I just feel so comfortable because there's not much people. So I don't feel like awkward. I don't know, because I don't feel awkward and change, you know, but like, you don't feel like, oh, the church mothers are watching you. Are you praise and worshiping hard enough? Are you saying amen loud enough? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I feel so much more comfortable. But anyways, very nice. Went for mom in the car, and we'll just go home and chill. So now that this place is cleaned up, I came in here this morning as well, like I just got in here. And just did like some more sweeping, and I just want to take out like every sense, everything that has somebody else's like essence. I just want it gone. I don't want anybody else to say no nothing. Anyways, so let me show you what it looks like clean. So you've got this bedroom area over here, and obviously you've got the bathroom there. I really tried with the bathroom, but I think eventually I'm gonna have to get professional cleaners so they can get like the soap scum and all the moldy bits over there. I'm gonna ask my dad to redo that moldy thing, the silicone lining. I'm gonna ask my dad to redo that. But it's looking very clean in here. My parents say it's very clean as well. And then you've got the storage over here. Got the Hoover down there, files there, and then we've got like random boxes, and we've got my mom's textbooks and documents down here. We've got some more textbooks and documents down here, and these are my book bags. My mom's arts and craft bits, like paints and stuff. I'm going to be doing some painting in this room as well, so yeah. And then these are my old textbooks here. If you want some, I'm selling them all. Then we come through on this side, and this side is probably where I'm going to start working. Look at how clean it is. Again, this is my mom's drawer with her arts and crafts bits. I don't know what that is. Then you come through to the kitchen area. Got some random wood beams. Yeah, we really did a good job, like, yeah. And then there's nothing in the storage here. There's nothing in any of the storage in here. Yeah, I'm so happy. So happy. So yeah, this is what this space looks like now. I'm so excited, like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Before you came, excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, I've been thinking about you. You no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
They pulled up to this place, but everything on the menu is vegan. Gotcha. I would like to thank everybody involved with this negotiation. I will be coming here. And it's okay if you is.
I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I can sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, I've been thinking about you. You no, I've been thinking about you. do you think about yourself? Do you? Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been looking for forever.
So we just got back from Cafe Mandala. If you are someone that wants to try out like vegan, plant-based stuff, definitely go there. It's up in Botherdale, just past Kersney College here in Durban. So yeah, it's very nice, very nice. Such a chill place, such a chill place. I like it a lot. But yeah, this week has been so good. Kind of weird, but good. Anyways, I will chat to you guys very, very soon. Good morning, good people. Today is Tuesday. Today I'm in the office. I'm working in the office. And I got this package. I already know what it is, but even I want to do an unboxing. So I shall unbox with you all. Oopsie. I want to do an unboxing as well. I'm doing so. Let's get a list of tuned. Oh wow. It came with this calendar, the invoice, and for the final reveal, look at what it is. Freaking textbooks that I don't even use like that. I don't write in my textbooks, so all my textbooks look so brand new. I want to sell them. So guys, let me know if you need textbooks. But this one is for marketing. This is strategic marketing, creating competitive advantage. Love it. And then this one is my not so favorite one, which is strategic management, South African concepts and cases. This one's for business. Business is just. I wonder what I'll be learning that's new in here, because honestly, I feel like when it comes to this degree, it's a great deal. Like in my mind, it's a great deal, but apparently I'm not. So, anyways, guys, let me get my day started. I have got my coffee that I just spilled on myself. Dang, what is wrong with me today? Anyways, and then I got some granola from the snack bar. Granola bar from the snack bar. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you on a different day. I know I've been looking ashy these days, but it's the sunscreen that I've been using. I've been trying the new sunscreen that I got. This one. Like, so I've been looking really ashy, but like, whatever. It fades away. I'm not too fussed about it, honestly, at this point, because the ones that don't make me look ashy are expensive. So, but anyways, good morning, guys. It is Saturday. I'm going to Umlazi, to my other grandmother's place. This is my dad's side. The last vlog that I did, you saw my mother's side. So I'm going to my dad's side of the family now. And yeah, guys, I'm bringing my book. Because I just need to plan some content out and all of those good things. And I want to just... So I get busy, but like I want to make time for it. I'm hungry, and bayosa inyama. So this morning what I'm gonna eat. Probably ngizongishaya amaqanda ke futhi kagogo, guys. Yo, ayikho enye into engayenza. Anyways, guys, come on.
but you just can't stop.
There is no need for all this madness.
I'm a curls, man.
Boys.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. Go.